Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the new Roblox mini figurine trend that's been going around. So you do need to use AI. I'm going to use Google Gemini for this. Gemini, I think it's Gemini. But I'm going to open that, and don't forget to take a screenshot of your character on Roblox. Then you're going to drag your character into this, and you're going to paste this prompt. I will put it in the description box down below, but it's going to look like this. This is the prompt, by the way, that I used. So you're just going to paste that and then press enter. Then this is what the final product will look like. Super cute. It looks exactly like my character. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.